What if the next big phone upgrade wasn't about faster chips or bigger batteries, but about a display so advanced it could completely change how we see smartphones? That's the buzz around Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra. Samsung is already famous for making some of the best screens in the world. But the truth is, the company doesn't always save its cutting-edge innovations for its Galaxy S flagships. Sometimes, those technologies show up first on rival products or even on Samsung's own foldables. But this time, things might be different, and the S26 Ultra could be the first to flaunt never-before-seen display technologies that give it an edge over Apple's highly anticipated iPhone 17 Pro, according to the reliable leaker Ice Universe. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will come with a 6.89-inch display, nearly identical in size to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. At first glance, that might sound like a letdown for people expecting something larger, but size isn't the real story here. Ice hinted that Samsung has packed the panel with surprises, and earlier rumors may have already revealed what those surprises could be. The first big feature could be something called Flex Magic Pixel Imagine, a display that uses AI to control viewing angles, adjusting itself to your environment and even ensuring privacy so strangers can't glance at your screen on a bus or in a cafe. The second possible upgrade is Color Filter on Encapsulation, or CO, which Samsung already uses in its Fold series. This technology makes blacks look truly deep, improves outdoor visibility, boosts brightness, and cuts down power usage. That means a screen that not only looks stunning, but also helps the battery last longer. Pair these two together, and you're looking at a phone display that could feel years ahead of what we've seen before, but the design tweaks don't stop at the screen. Reports suggest the Galaxy S26 Ultra will be slimmer than the S25 Ultra and feature curvier corners, giving it a slightly softer look. Of course, there's still the massive camera bump, and for good reason. 3 of the 4 rear cameras are expected to be upgraded, while the 50-megapixel telephoto lens, one of Samsung's most reliable tools, returns yet again. It's not a total reinvention, but it should mean noticeable improvements in photography. Powering everything will be the same 5,000 mAh battery as before, keeping endurance steady even with the extra display magic. Now, here's where things get interesting. Apple's iPhone 17 Pro hasn't even launched yet, and it's already creating huge excitement. Many believe Apple has a winner on its hands. For Samsung, that sets the stage for a real challenge. The Galaxy S26 Ultra can't just be an incremental update, it has to feel fresh and exciting enough to draw attention away from Apple and other rivals. And if Samsung really delivers on these rumored display breakthroughs, it could have just the trick up its sleeve to keep the Galaxy line on top. So, the big question is this: will a smarter, brighter, and more efficient screen be enough to make the Galaxy S26 Ultra stand out in 2025? Or will Apple's iPhone 17 Pro still end up stealing the spotlight? We'll have to wait and see, but one thing's clear: Samsung is betting big on display innovation to win this battle. If you're as curious as I am to see how this showdown plays out, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the Galaxy S26 series and all the biggest stories in tech.